Jason Geiser. I own Decocrete Supply in Ohio, and I started out as a contractor probably 12 years ago doing just strictly decorative concrete work, everything decorative concrete. And in the last probably 4 or 5 years I've kind of switched that and started doing more with selling supplies. I had the idea of having something with dice. I wanted to do something Vegas themed. We started out just at a bar one night, and I was drinking a martini. You know, I always liked how the sword goes through the olive, so I was like, let's try to think what I could do to kind of bring that into it. And then I thought, well, why don't we just make a glass? Everything kind of snowballed from there. You know, from there it kind of went to, well, what's the water going to catch in? And then, you know, so we decided to make that a craps table. And what's, you know, and then that wasn't good enough, so we made the chips and the dice. And we also, in this feature too, have a flame that goes on the top of it. I knew I wasn't going to be able to get all this done in the small time constraints that we had here this week. So we cast the bigger part of it, the glass portion, at our shop. And I didn't want to make it out of all concrete. It would weigh too much to even get it up there, you know, because that, so I made, we just used regular 2x2 framing and wrapped it with masonite, a wood particle board. And we put a waterproofing membrane with the fabric over top of it to make it all watertight. This one here is not a cementitious one. The one we used in the pool to waterproof this was a cementitious waterproofer, but this is a regular waterproofing membrane. You can use it on shower pans. That's where we mostly use it. That's where we mostly sell. What we did was I gave Joe Nasvik a drawing of exactly, you know, with the plumbing and stuff. And when they poured this, they ran the plumbing out the back, and then I ran it when we actually poured the stem for the glass, and we put the plumbing up the middle of it. And then I had a connection that I did back at my place, and we just glued it. When we set it down, we just glued it in and make it all work. And then I got a pump that just pumps the water. The propane gas travels through the water, and when it travels through the water, it just lights off the other one. We drilled holes in a piece of copper pipe, and it's really cool.